Hold up.
Hold up.
Don't hire that contractor just yet. If you don't want your renovation to turn into a return on investment disaster, then stay tuned because today I'm going to tell you what renovations you should avoid so that you don't lose money when it's time to sell your home, whether now or in the future. Amanda Rivard, local McKinney, Texas realtor, and I'm here to uncover the worst renovation mistakes you could make. How could a renovation be a bad idea? Well, not all returns are created equal, and if you look at your property as an investment, then you want to make sure any renovation that you're doing is going to give you a good return back on the money you spent when you're ready to sell it. Some renovations are a reno no-no. So let's go. Don't do a full window replacement. Window replacements can vary greatly for resale value, but they are costly. I've had window companies come out and speak with my sellers and try to sell them on the full shebang. They of course tell my sellers that they will recoup all of their investment on the windows when they sell their home.
Fake news.
Window installations don't actually add a ton of value. Now, if you are in Texas, you might be aware that due to our extreme heat, your window seals can crack, and that's when you'll start noticing the condensation appearing between the double paned windows. If it is severe, or if it's in the front of the home and it's an eyesore, yes, replacing those windows can be a good idea. If they've gotten broken glass or they don't function at all, then yes, take care of those, but a full window replacement is usually unnecessary and you will never fully recoup the cost. Don't do any renovations that are overly personalized. Let's go ahead and skip that stripper pole in the game room, half pipe in the backyard, or adding that bathroom tile that reminds you of your honeymoon in Spain because you're likely not to see $1 of that return to you. In fact, it might hurt the sale of your home. When you're doing renovations, unless the home is your forever home, then hey, you do you. But otherwise, you want to make sure it's a renovation that would appeal to the masses. So save the overly customized stuff for the home you know you're going to stay in forever. Don't install a pool. Pools can be appealing to some, but a majority of potential buyers simply scroll past homes that have pools. Why? Trying to sell someone a long list of pool maintenance chores is a daunting task. The average return on investment of a pool is only around 50%. That means if you spend an average of $150K to build a pool, you can only expect to get about $75K of that back, and that varies based on the market conditions. Like other big ticket renovations, build your pool when you've found your forever home. Don't replace mechanical systems. If your air conditioner doesn't work and your roof has major damage, they need replacement. But I've known some sellers who want to do it just to do it before they list their home. When replaced, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical infrastructure, water heaters, and other unseen systems don't actually add value to your home. They're expected to be in working order from a buyer's perspective. However, they can bring down the value if they don't operate. Roofing return on investment is only around 55%, and they are not cheap to install. If you can sell your home without putting money into replacing mechanical systems, you'll have more money in your pocket when you move out. And there you have it, guys, a short list of renovations you should avoid if you don't want to lose money. There are some renovations that have a great return on investment and that can help you sell your home significantly faster. If you'd like a list of those, reach out via text or email. All my info is in the description box below. I'd be happy to tell you what renovations are most helpful to do in your specific area. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Till the next video, guys, see y'all later.